crypto. Today we're going to talk about chainlink. So, chainlink in the previous cycle made multiple X's, and anyone with a huge bag of chainlink tokens could possibly have become millionaires, right? Or even billionaires because of how well this performed. So, the coin itself, the project, is battle tested from the previous cycle. It's still here, still building, still developing. It was founded in 2017 by Sergey Nazarov and Steve Ellis. And I think for the next potential bull run, it still has a lot of potential to go and could perform really well. Okay, so who are we? Who is Chainlink? Chainlink is a global community of developers, academics, and enterprise experts with deep experience in crypto, decentralized systems, and smart contracts. So you can see here a lot of people in the team that build next generation decentralized infrastructure. It is infrastructure project, not a typical blockchain like a layer 1. And some of the advisors, they have a big names here. We've got Ari Jules, technical advisor, currently chief scientist. He was in the Whale Family Foundation, professor in Jacobs Technion Cornell Institute at Cornell, computer scientist, and co-director of IC3. We have Eric Schmidt, previously of Google, chief executive officer. We have Dan Boner, professor at Stanford, and many esteemed cryptographers, professors, executives. So next we'll discuss what is Chainlink. Chainlink is a framework for building decentralized Oracle networks that bring real-world data into blockchain networks, enabling the creation of hybrid smart contracts. These decentralized Oracle networks provide decentralized services such as price feeds, proof of reserves, verifiable randomness, keepers, and the ability to connect to any web application programming interfaces. Okay, so pretty cool stuff. Next we'll look at the use cases here. So we have lending and borrowing, such as Aave, Compound, Trader Joe. Some quite big projects there in DeFi, utilizing Chainlink's feeds. We have mirrored assets, so used in synthetics, index, enzyme, and then stable coins, such as Liquidity, Fei Protocol, and True USD, which is currently Binance's favorite stablecoin there. We've got asset management and options and futures. So the Chainlink data price feed products, we have NFT floor price feeds, we have reference price feeds, rate products, proof of reserves. Okay, one of the biggest partnerships with Chainlink is the Swift partnership. This is really bullish if you know what Swift is. So Swift is the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunications. Any payment that you do overseas or from bank account to bank account probably went through Swift. So yeah, it's a massive company. The partnership with Chainlink, this integration happened September 28th, 2022. So here you can see the pilot project features an implementation of Chainlink's cross-chain interoperability protocol CCIP that will enable financial messages to instigate the transfer of digital assets on all platforms. What's more, the Swift chainlink integration will allow financial institutions to access blockchain and Web3 without creating new infrastructure from scratch. One of the major concerns businesses and enterprises have about integration blockchain is that it requires an overhaul of the existing architecture. However, the Swift chainlink integration solves this problem by making it easier than ever for legacy financial institutions to interact with blockchains using existing financial rails. Not only does this lower the barrier to entry for blockchain services, but it also has potential to drastically further the adoption of Web3 tech, which is pretty good stuff. And some case studies. So these are big projects on Chainlink, utilizing Chainlink's tech. Got Avagotchi, Ampleforth, Cash, Coty, NBA, Trader Joe. A lot of good projects here. So for tokenomics, so you can see the initial allocation of the tokens got split in 3 ways between node operators who provide the data feeds, the price oracles, and securitize the network. Then you have the initial sale to investors, and then you have development team here. 1 billion token supply, and it's also possible since the end of last year to stake as a community member. So not only node operators can stake and earn APY, you can buy as a smaller investor and you can stake as a community and earn about 5% APY in link tokens as rewards, which is pretty cool. But I think currently the community pool is full. So you'd have to wait for a new pool to open up. Yeah, so as far as price prediction, the last bull run we saw an all-time high of $52.70, which now currently is $7.30, which is quite a reduction. So it's a good price to get in. Anywhere around between $7 and $5 is probably a good price, because my prediction for the next bull run, we could be looking at a price of around $250 per token. That would give you possible return of 3,400% or 34x. So overall, Chainlink looks like to be set to be benefit from the growth of Web3, with the use of their price oracles and real world data, because as use cases grow, real world use cases are going to require data, a lot of data, and they have good partnerships, good tokenomics and ecosystem. This provides strong moat as well as specific focus on data oracles, gives them a good niche to operate within. And that's it. So if you enjoyed the video, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, where I'll probably discuss chain links, staking and other passive income strategies.